I just bought a new scanner and I'm going to scan my car to see whether there is any issues. Generally, I haven't seen any lights in the car, but it is good to test whether it is working properly. And that is what I'm going to do exactly right now with this new scanner. It is just a simple one. It is not a very expensive one, but I'm sure it is going to do the work. So first of all, I'm going to plug it in my car. There it is now plugged. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start the car. I click on enter. Now you can see there it is saying like you can erase previously stored data to save data from this test. Click on enter. Now it has deleted the previous ones. Now I can read the new ones. This one, it is in Swedish. It means read the codes. I click on enter. I click on enter again to read the codes. You can see very clearly it is stating that there is no code stored in the module. If I want to check whether there is other codes which are hiding, then I can press on this arrow down arrow button and then click on enter again. Yeah, and definitely I can see there is no pending code, so this car is purely free. There is no codes. That is it, guys. I'm going to test another scanner. I'm going to buy a better scanner again because I have an old Volvo that is that this scanner is not working. Cannot read codes in that car, so I'm going to have to buy another one. But in the meantime, this one is working perfectly, so I can definitely use this one in this new car. This one is a Volvo V40 D3, and it can work for any car, but it has to be newer cars, cars that are made in 2012 and above. Yeah, that is it. That is how you scan your car. It is a simple tool, but it can help. It can help when you are going to maybe to inspect your car. You can just scan it. You can just scan your car before taking for inspection, so that you can know whether there is something you can fix. And you can even check and if you are not going to inspect the car, you can just scan the car to see whether there is some problem you need to fix before, just to make sure you are driving a safe car. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll make another video next time about when I buy the other scanner. Bye bye.